हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू वंदना's ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम करने वाले हैं इंग्लिश कुमार भारती स्टैंडर्ड 9 जो कि रिलायबल सीरीज़ है। इसका 1.5 द नेकलेस के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। 1.5 द नेकलेस, तो जिसमें सबसे पहले हमें दिया है अबाउट द लेसन। तो आप इसे रीड कीजिए वीडियो पॉज करके। इसके बाद हमें दिया है न्यू वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस। फिर बढ़ते हैं आगे वार्मिंग अप की तरफ। क्रिएट एन इमेजिनरी पर्सोना फॉर योर सेल्फ। इट कैन बी क्वाइट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम योर रियल सेल्फ और यू मे चूज अ फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर फ्रॉम अ नॉवेल, स्टोरी एटसेट्रा। राइट a few lines about this imaginary persona and introduce yourself in that role. So this one is a real self. Imaginary से and is there something that you would like to own more than anything else? Describe your dream possessions with the help of the following points. You may and your add your own point too. So these are the points. And my dream possession. फिर हम बढ़ते हैं इन टेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस की तरफ। तो पहला है, इज एनी वन एंटाइटल टू ऑल लग्जरीज ऑफ लाइफ ड्यू टू रीजन्स ऑफ बर्थ और अदर innate qualities? What did the envelope hold? Was the husband a considerate person? How do we know that? Why did Mathilde go to her friend's house and tell her of her distress? What did Madame Forstier's large box contain? Which sentence tells us that Mathilde greatly desired the necklace? Try to express the thoughts that must have passed through Mathilde's mind on seeing the necklace in Mathilde's own words. Why did Mathilde not notice the loss of her necklace earlier? Next, why was Mathilde married to a minor official? Why did Mathilde weep with misery after visiting her schoolmate? Then English workshop. Read each of the following sentences aloud. Write who said it and to whom. Look, here something for you. Buy the dress you go to the theatre in. I would rather not go to the party. Choose, my dear. You have nothing else. Would you lend me this, just this? What? How? That's impossible. Next is, write a few lines about what Mathilde had and what she dreamt about. Then time to reflect. Write what you think about the following thoughts and actions of Mathilde. Mathilde was beautiful and so she wanted to marry an aristocrat. Next, Mathilde was sad because she did not get any luxuries. Next, Mathilde felt that her house was shabby and poorly furnished. Mathilde wanted other people to envy her. Mathilde was not happy to see the invitation. Mathilde wanted a new dress for herself. Mathilde borrowed a diamond necklace from her friend and wore it to the party. Mathilde lost the necklace. Let's analyze. Write the character sketch of Mathilde. Next, grammar and vocabulary building. Write your phrases using each of type of determiner. Creative writing. Then part 2 of the same chapter about the lesson. New words and phrases. In text questions, guess the meaning of glimmer of hope, a hollow pale figure sick with grief and anguish. What was the arrangements with the jeweler? Do you think it was fair? Why did Madame Forstier speak coldly to Mathilde? What is meant by the horrible life of the very poor? What contrast it is implied by the use of the word still is in still young, still beautiful, still charming? What efforts did Loisel make to find the necklace? Why did Mathilde decide to speak to her friend? Who do you think was responsible for Mathilde's misery? Was it her friend, she herself, her husband, or the circumstances? English workshop. Complete the following table. Utterance, who said it, to whom, and when. इसके देखने के लिए आपको वीडियो को पॉज करना होगा, और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे पहली बार विजिट कर रहे हो या फिर मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर से कीजिए और वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी कीजिए. Next, time to reflect. It is a personal response. Write that you think about the following thoughts and actions of Mathilde. Mathilde despaired over the loss of her necklace. Next, Mathilde wrote a note to her friend as dictated by her husband. Mathilde and her husband decide to replace her necklace. Mathilde returned the diamond necklace to her friend. Mathilde did not tell her friend about the loss and replacement. Mathilde worked very hard to pay the debt. Mathilde and her husband paid off the debt in 10 years. Mathilde told her friend about the lost necklace. Imagine what must have happened after Mathilde's friend discovered that the diamonds were real. Do you think that she would return it to Mathilde? Would that make Mathilde happy? Let's analyze, discuss the following and write about each in your own words in 5 to 6 lines. What would you do if something like this happens to you? What opinion do you form about Mathilde's husband from her story? Which events in the story changed Mathilde's life? Language study, make meaningful sentences by using the given phrases. Suffered endlessly. Afternoon chats. Use the given adverb in your own sentence. Hesitantly. Resentfully. Choose correct alternatives. Copy the sentence correctly. Find 4 hidden words of minimum 4 letters from the given words. Tradesman. Necklace. Identify the type of sentences. Do as directed. Fill in the blanks with either present participle, gerund or infinitive. Punctuate the following. Pick out the infinitives from the sentences. Arrange the words in alphabetical order. Complete the following word chain of adjectives: insulting, gentle, eager, rich, helpful. Complete the word chain of nouns: necklace, elegance, eagerness, salt, temper. Make a word register of 8 words related to jewelry: jewel, necklace, brooch, diamond, earrings, ring, ruby, pearl, jeweler. Use the correct modal auxiliary. These are the answers here. Change from direct to indirect speech. Do as directed. Identify the clause and say what kind. Form 2 present participle and past participles after doubling the last letter of the main verb. Knit, knitting, bat, batting. Past participle is knit, knitted, bat, batted. Challenging questions. Use the given words as a noun and as a verb. So need as a noun, need as a verb. Request as a noun, request as a verb. Question as a noun, question as a verb. Conversion of simple, compound and complex sentences. Do as directed. Identify the kinds of sentences. Comprehension. Make a list of all the jobs that Matilde had to perform since they did not have a maid. Vocabulary. Noun forms: horrible, horror; dreadful, dread; greasy, grease; strong, strength. Then adjectives form: labor, laborious; water, watery; rose, rosy. Then pick out words from the passage that mean the following. Then do as directed. Then personal response. Write in your own words how Loisel's life changed after she incurred a heavy debt. Then creative writing. Expand the following idea. The truth does not cost anything, but a lie costs you everything. तो जी इसी के साथ में हमने 1.5 द नेकलेस के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स फिनिश किए. इसके साथ यूनिट 1 हमारा फिनिश हो गया. अब नेक्स्ट वीडियो से हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं हमारा यूनिट 2. तब तक टेक केयर एंड कीप वॉचिंग वंदनास ट्यूटोरियल. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.